Okay. No, so after erasing the fault code, I've cycled the ignition and it cranks, but it doesn't start. So you can see so that means my RPM is working. That means my crank sensor is working, so it's not a crank issue. But what I'll do now is I'll check it from the live data and see the fuel pressure and the RPM. Those are the necessary things which are needed for the vehicle to start. So the temperature is okay, the fuel ratio, so this and my fuel pressure. So let me search for the fuel pressure value. So this is my fuel. So this is my fuel pressure and this is my fuel temperature. And this is the fuel level and the rear pressure. So now let me select only this ones and crank the vehicle and see if the fuel pressure will increase. Yeah, that means my fuel pressure is increasing and my RPM is working. So I have to check the open circuit in the injectors that the system is reporting. But before that, I'll give it a starting fluid to see. And I'm suspecting that there is a leakage because the fuel pressure keeps dropping quickly. So I'll see what I can do about that one also. Giving the engine some starting fluid. Then let me turn on the vehicle and start. So that means it's a fuel issue. So that means the engine can start. So it's a fuel issue. So I'll check the fuel socket that the engine is complaining and see. So now after touching the cables, now the vehicle is running. So now the vehicle is running. So now there is no fault. What I'll do is I'll try and play with the cable a bit and see where. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more. Let me rescan the vehicle. Scan the vehicle and there is no fault and it's running. Thank you for watching.